Hello guys, I'm now going to cook pancit for long life. I'm introducing Filipino food here in Norway, most especially to the friends of my partner who will be celebrating, most especially her best friend is celebrating her birthday. So this is our present. Present, is that correct? Yeah, for her birthday. So I'm going to cook pancit and then fried rice. So ito po, niluluto ko na po yung, I started already cooking the shrimp. So ito siya, malalaking shrimp. Shrimp for the best of allergies. Yan, mga paborito po ito ng allergy. Yan. So, niluluto ko po muna siya, tapos saka ko po iwalay. Tapos saka ko ilalagay mga gulay. Para, yan yung pansit binabad ko muna sa tubig para maging sarap. Para madaling maluto. Yan. Bye guys! See you in my next vlog!